Run the code online or download from codegithub.com, link in the description below. Title: A Beginner's Guide to Algorithms in Python with GitHub Integration. Introduction. Algorithms play a crucial role in computer science and programming, helping to solve various computational problems efficiently. In this tutorial, we'll explore the basics of algorithms using Python and learn how to manage and share our code on GitHub. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fundamental understanding of algorithms and be able to collaborate with others using GitHub. Prerequisites. Create a new repository on GitHub. Clone the repository to your local machine. For this tutorial, we'll implement a simple sorting algorithm, bubble sort. Invite collaborators to your repository. Collaborators clone the repository. Collaborators make changes. Collaborators push changes to GitHub. Congratulations! You've learned the basics of implementing algorithms in Python and collaborating with others using GitHub. This tutorial provides a foundation for exploring more advanced algorithms and participating in collaborative coding projects. ChatGPT.